Hi, today I would like to speak about an exciting and transformative journey from being an engineer becoming an entrepreneur and how we can build a tech startup from a scratch. As an engineer, we are trained to solve problems. We learn how to analyze the systems, design solution and improve efficiency. But the entrepreneurship take one step further. It asks simple yet powerful question. Can your solution create your value for society? Every successful startup begins with a problem. It could be small inconvenience or large industry gap. Think about everyday issues, traffic congestion, energy wastages, inefficient communication systems, or lack of the access of the healthcare. These problems are opportunity waiting for the engineer to step in. The first step, building a startup, identifying the real problems and not just an any problem but one that affect many peoples. Once the problem is clear, the next step is to design a solution. This where the engineering knowledge becomes powerful. However, having an idea is not enough. Many engineers fail at this stage because they focus only on technology, not on user. A successful entrepreneur always to ask, will people actually use this? So the next step, the important step is creating a prototype. It does not have to be perfect. In fact, most successful startups begin with a simple version called a minimum viable product. This always to use to test your idea in the real world and gather a feedback. After the validation comes the challenge of your building a team. No startup succeed alone. You need to people with a different skill and technical experts, marketing professionals and business strategies, so the teamwork transforms an idea into a scalable business. And the another key aspect is the risk taking. Moving from the engineer to the entrepreneur means stepping out your comfortable zone. There is uncertainty, financial risk and also the possible of failures, but the failure is not as end. It is a part of your learning process. Many successful entrepreneur fails a multiple times before achieving success. Funding is also an important factor. Startup can begin with their personal savings but grow. They often require external support from the investor, incubator or governing scheme. A strong idea with a clear impact can always to attracting a fund. In this today's world, the technology startups are booming, especially in the field of like AI, that like artificial intelligence